Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I came up with something just now and I wanted to share it with you guys and gals. Y'all know I do a lot of work on different vehicles, and one thing that I always knew I should have but I never got around to buying it was fender covers. And so I'm also the type of person that likes to repurpose things or reuse things, or basically not throw things away very much. And I practice yoga, and I have accumulated, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, probably 6 or 7 yoga mats. What happens is they wear a little bit like that right there, and there's some other places there, and they're not really terrible, but they're, when you're trying to do yoga as good as you can do it, you're always looking for a little something that'll help you. So I buy a new mat, and I've got a couple right now that I like pretty well. But I thought to myself, well, maybe the yoga mats would make good fender covers. So here it is, and I've seen a lot of fender covers. I looked to buy some thin cotton, fleecy, flannel kind of things. I thought, oh, well, those are no good. They'll just slip right off, obviously. Then I saw a bunch of the ones that are magnetic. And since I have several Corvettes, I'm like, well, that's not going to work. The fenders are plastic or carbon fiber or whatever, so forget that. Yoga mats are incredibly grippy, so you can see from this one on the front, that thing is just gripping there. Now, if I tugged on it, it would fall off. But what I'm thinking about doing on the front one is just cutting some slits, maybe about 12-inch slit. And then I'll be able to move it up so it'll cover the headlight, and it'll stay on better. And if I slit it, I can pull it up, and I could actually clamp the two parts together here, and then it won't come off at all, and it won't come off. So long story short, just wanted to share this with you guys and gals. I think it's pretty cool. And give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. And be safe, have fun. I got to do the plugs and wires on the passenger side bank of this car right now. See ya. Froggy out. Bye. Well, I might as well show you making the cuts and everything. So there's the cuts and a couple of big office clamps. And I slid the green one's down, tuck that one under the windshield washer, and this one also the other way under the windshield wiper. I meant not washer, the wiper. So now I can probably work faster because I'm not worried about scratching the fenders. There you go.